Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching your hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room availability and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location, here is our attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. And reserve the right to temporarily hold an account prior to arrival. One category of room will be available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the